next song we're gonna do is a song of ours called Sober.